So yesterday after the meeting, I closed. I didn't do anything else. Today in the morning, I tried to sign up for.
Yesterday after the meeting, you did not continue.
Yes, I didn't continue.
You did not work with Kevin.
Yeah, I worked with Karin a bit. I talked to Emmanuel also. We had a meeting. Then I closed.
Yes, that is also a work.
Okay.
Oh, that is a work.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. And today morning,
So today morning, I wanted to test out the Bimi because it didn't work the other day. So I tried with the signing up with Yahoo, but Yahoo could not send me the verification. So I asked Karin to check if she's able to create an account from her side. Then she did. She created an account, and we sent an email to that account, but still it was not showing the Bimi.
okay.
So I just paused on the Bimi and just started working on the languages now. Like let me just use the list. I started setting up Java on my machine and just see how to run it before I could run like the real code that is sending an email. So I installed the development kit and just set up a simple project. The hello world. Now I'm setting up the real email code that now will allow me to send an email. I'm
Okay.
just trying to understand how things work. I'm actually also looking at a Java tutorial here because I think that will make me understand it more. Because I even tried with ChatGPT just to set up my project, and ChatGPT was not like straightforward. So it's from at least the video I'm looking at right now that I've been able to set up a project and at least run the hello world. So I'll continue working on this, just follow this video because at least it's meant for programmers. Like it's not for people who are going to start up the coding from scratch.
Okay.
So it's like a two hours video. Then at the end of it, I'll be able to do a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so after that, we continue with on your side. Yes, you are finished with almost everything.
Yeah. I'll finish with almost everything.
No, I said you have finished with the BIMI, DKIM, DMARC, SPF.
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
almost everything. And BIMI is not working.
Yeah. Beam is not
Yeah.
working it.
Emmanuel and Karin, they will try to check that on their side. You have also finished with certificate with RGNS. You have not implemented the IPv6.
I did. We did that yesterday. Remember?
You did the IPv6?
Yeah, we did it.
Send
That's
email and show me that is sending with IPv6.
yes.
Have
I think it's still here. Let me check if I still have it. I think I didn't delete it. There. That's the first thing I showed in the morning. I think when we started the meeting. Not in the morning. Inbox. It was there.
okay. I remember. Yes.
Yeah.
But your system is using both. And have you implemented the IPv6 in your automation Ansible, in your Ansible automation?
Yes, it's including both. I can display that.
Okay. The place where you put the IP, there's inventory in your
Yeah.
Ansible. Okay.
Yeah, all of them. So I just tested with the Google, and I realized that Google will randomly pick. If you have done both, it will just randomly pick one. So sometimes it comes as IPv4, sometimes it comes as IPv6.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in your Ansible, you are setting up IP address in inventory file or host. In host, the IP address there, I just
IP address is in the inventory.
is where is IPv6?
This is for logging in into the system, but for now the variables is here.
Oh, okay.
So these are all of them.
But here you have
Okay, I've treated the other one as just an IP. And
because okay, you have IPv6 and other
IPv6.
is
Yeah. Then in the DNS is where now we are configuring both of them. We are calling the two IPs like here. Same
okay.
word, IPv6, yeah. So I'll just continue researching on the Java part, and then I think Python, I've run it before. It's not going to be a big issue.
Okay.
Because, yeah, maybe SQL. And I know most of the parts here is just a repeat of the same language. Let me just scroll up. Like the React is still just JavaScript. So this one is just because the React is the front end,
Okay.
and the Next.js is the backend, which just uses the Node.js. So it's just a repeat. So we'll just use do the Java, the Python, PHP, and SQL.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's all.
Okay. Do you have anything else to share?
No.
Okay, good. So let's continue with next person.
Okay, I'm going to connect. So yesterday after the meet, I did research on the third bot to renew the certificate. So it's somewhere here. This is a
I think she have network issue. I want to meet.
hello.
Hello.
You hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
we
I'm
can hear you.
sorry, I had an issue.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Continue.
So So I will start till the beginning. I don't know where it stopped.
We're
So
showing us what you did yesterday about the certificate, the set bot.
so I just I searched. Okay, so I searched on how to renew it, and I saw the command was this. So then I continued on to research on how I should proceed about the automation. So I had a colleague trick about that, and then I continued on training. And today I started. So I created those files. So this is a variable, the inventory, and I continued with the postfix. So this is a playbook for the postfix to install and to configure.
Have you done the manual certificate?
Yes, I've done it.
It's working.
Yes.
And once you do it,
I did it yesterday.
after the meeting or before the
No,
meeting?
I presented it before the meeting, if I'm not wrong. This one.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I remember.
Yeah.
What we asked you yesterday was to automate.
Yeah. And so I'm still here on the automation. So I started the OpenDKIM, and I will continue on adding the DNS to Cloudflare. So
Okay.
I will, yeah. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay. Have you encrypted the IPv6?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the IPv6 in the variable. I didn't test this yet, but I'm just writing the playbooks for now.
Okay. And the DMI, have you started with DMI?
No, I didn't start about the BB yet.
Okay. So you have tell everything together. Can you give me a resume of what you did yesterday after the meeting and a resume of what you did this morning? Because I have not understood.
Okay, so yesterday after the meeting, I did a research about how to renew the certificate and
Okay.
also how I should proceed about this automation. So I
Okay.
had a college logic, yeah. And I continued with the training. And this morning, so only this morning, I started with writing those files.
Okay. And what do you write this morning about automation? What do
Sorry?
you because this automation you have started it last week, and this morning, what part did you include in the automation?
So last week, I just created the folders and the files. So there wasn't anything yet inside them. So only today I started like all of the tasks.
Yes, tell me example of what you have created this part this morning in automation part. Some example.
Like here, so I started writing the variables, even the inventory, this postfix also, this OpenDKIM.
Can you tell us what they came to do?
So this will create the key and generate the here. So this creates the directory. This generates the key.
Yes, and what is the
and
name of that in Ansible of that block? What is the
sorry,
name of
I
that
didn't
block?
really
The
hear.
general name of that block. Let's say generate taking key. What is the name of that block?
It's this.
Yes. Okay. Where are your tasks?
So here, this is the name of the task, and this is a command to generate the key,
Okay.
and
So
it will generate them.
is a task, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to be sure that you know what task in Ansible.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so you have decided to put the task in a main YAML. And some people they create a file YAML called task where they put all their tasks inside, and they use main only to call different YAML. Yeah. Can we scroll down a bit and see? Where are you using the IPv6 in your task?
So that should be in the postfix. So here, this IPv4 and IPv6. And the INET interfaces all.
Okay. That is how you made your setup, Gotik?
Yeah. Okay. In the protocols, the INET protocols, I just use the all the IP. So I didn't know if this one is also the another way of listing all of them.
Okay. I think that this can also work too.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good, Karin. Do you have another thing to add?
Not for the moment.
Okay. Okay, let's continue with Emmanuel.
Yeah. So yesterday I was able to fix the beacon sign in. So I was able to fix it. I wasn't including something to the sign-in part. So after researching, I was able to see that I was not adding this particular information. That was for the sign-in. So that was the reason why it was breaking. So I was able to fix it, and I sent some mails, and I did a test, and it was still 9. But this is IP4. Okay. No, it's IP6. The receiver is IP6, but the sender is IP4. So I was a little confused about that.
The receiver is
okay. It was IP6. The sender was IP4 because this is connected to IP4.
okay.
So there's the IP6. Yes. So now that it's working, I can now do the beam and the automation. But I will start with the beam first. If it is not successful, then I do the automation. So I will continue with the automation. I've already started it long time. This is my host, but I've halted on that. So I will just continue work on it.
And about the certificate, you have already do that in the past.
Yes.
Okay. What was the problem about your BIMI, about your DKIM? How did you solve it?
Yes, this one, I was not adding this to the postfix. I wasn't adding this. When I did the setup, I was not adding this. So that's why when you try to sign, it breaks because there is no communication between the DCAM and the postfix. So so I have to add this to the postfix so that the DCAM can see it. So that was the issue that was.
And yesterday you also started the research on FBL.
Yes, 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 yes.
Have
So
you implemented it? Have you consulted with the FBL? Have you do something about the FBL?
yes, yes. I've I've written a processor. So I have not tested it yet. So I will test it to yeah.
And can you explain
Test
us
it.
what the processor will do? What is the
Good, good. So the FBL deals with a feedback from you sending the mail to a recipient. So either the mail will go through or it will not go through, or the recipient have unsubscribed your mail. So the FBL handles that.
okay? And when you will deploy the FBL, how can we test it?
I will test it with yes. So the FBL is actually the real work of the DKIM and everything because you have to set up the email server first before you can test up the FBL because the FBL is actually what you are going to use to send the mail.
Yes, we have DKIM, everything all set up. You mean that when
Yes.
when you will send to our email address, maybe we will unsubscribe, you will unsubscribe and
Good.
see if FBL will handle everything.
Yes. So FBL actually is the real work.
Yes, it is a real work, but we can still test it in our environment test that we are using now.
Yes. Yes. So if maybe some people have a written complaint about the particular email that is coming to them, is the FBL that handles it.
Yes, but my question is how we will test it when you will finish to write the code.
You will run it. When I'm done, I'll run it. I'll connect it to the postfix.
Okay. And send email to your Gmail and then you unsubscribe,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Very
So that's what I'm looking at.
okay. Are you sure that this is the good way to do the FBL? It seems like can you go on ChatGPT and ask to
Yes,
ChatGPT how to set up?
I have gone through ChatGPT for
Yes,
the
but
FBL.
ask him how to set up the FBL with command line.
No, you have to. There is a header. Add FBL.
Yes, ask him, just ask him like that, how to set up the FBL with command line. He will tell us if that is possible or not. No, just put FBL feedback loop with command line.
Yeah. So
See?
yes.
Okay. It requires some database. Okay. Python or Bash alias cache all. Okay, let's scroll down and see. if that is possible. Okay. You see, you are jumping directly inside a script, but inside a code. But it seems like it is possible to do this with command line.
Yes, but when you do it with command line,
No,
the,
our purpose, the purpose of this part of job is to do everything with command line. Later we do it
okay,
with the
okay,
database. You can scroll down and see what ChatGPT is saying.
okay.
You see, okay, we have this. Can try to scroll down. Where is ChatGPT is saying to store there? Scroll
You can find
a
it
bit.
in any database.
No, scroll up a bit. That part of script. Yes, here. Create a FBL handler script. Yes, there. Okay, he's creating some cron server. SQL. Okay, he's trying to make an insert in SQL. Okay, because according to FBL, if someone want to unsubscribe, we need to
Yes.
have all his information stored in a
Yes.
database.
Yes.
Because to unsubscribe someone or to subscribe him, if we don't have all his information, we cannot subscribe it. So we need that. We cannot unsubscribe him. We need a database. Can you scroll down a bit? Okay, make it run, create a SQLite schema database. Okay, can you scroll down? Now, Godric, have you set up the FBL?
No, not really.
I mean that you will set up the FBL. You will include that inside your automation. Hmm?
Okay.
You need to set up the FBL. So I think Godric, your next step will be to finish with the FBL.
Okay.
But you can do that with command line instead of working directly with code like Emmanuel. I think even Emmanuel, you need to do it with command line because command line is easy for everyone to understand. Don't.
Yeah.
It is easy.
Yes.
See, it's very easy. And then after you are familiar, you are good with command line, you can turn that into the code.
Okay.
Because with command line now, everyone can see that we need a database for FBL. And according to what FBL do, and it is normal because we need to store user information somewhere.
Okay. So the data storage and all that, we do it in the command line, right?
Oh yes, when you include that in Ansible, you
Okay.
also include this to Ansible. It means that you will need to install a light on database like SQLite.
Okay.
Like
No,
that.
you can use any database.
Yes, as when I
Postgres.
say light on database, I mean a small database, some database that's not
Yes.
heavy. You don't need to install PostgreSQL because that can be heavy. I think SQLite is very light than PostgreSQL.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And what is your next step now, Emmanuel?
I have to do it on the command line. I have to install this and test the SQL on the command line. Then if it is okay, then I write the scripts on it, the Python script on it.
Okay.
But even I've started with the Python, so I'll hold on with that one. Then I'll do the command line first.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Do you have another thing to add?
No, not really.
Okay. I think that in general way we are moving on the good way. We are on a good way. The more we work on this, we see the more it become easy,
Yeah.
and our meeting will not be long again. because you all now are familiar with all term, DKIM, FBL, all those stuff. You are already familiar with that. So I think that we are on a good way in general. We are on a good way. Maybe in 2 weeks, even in 1 month, all this will be easy for you.
Yes.
You will see that as something really easy. And maybe our meeting will only be maybe 10 minutes. Because when I will ask some question, you will just explain that to me like expert. And we don't need to go again on ChatGPT, make some research.
Yeah.
Okay. Because after this part, we will work on MailWizz. But MailWizz is just a software that we will install. So normally, Bodik already work on it, but he have not installed it on PowerMTA. But the hard part, I believe, is all this small stuff. FBL, DKM, VMeet, to avoid going to spam, all those small stuff. Because with MailWizz, it's only a software. Can we tap the MailWizz on Google?
How do you spell it? May
No, just tap in Google, not the open. Yes, MailWizz. Mail, Wiz. No. I. Yes, that one. Okay, you can scroll down. Okay,
Yeah,
there. Self-hosted. No, not go on Canyon. Scroll up. Scroll up. Yes, there. Click there. So this is the software that we will install. With this software, we don't need to create our own feedback loop because this software will handle everything. The campaign that we'll be sending, it is a SQL. This is developed by PHP. So that's why I'm asking you to try to handle the PHP. So after that part, we will manipulate the software. And this software is to manage the dashboard because they give you a dashboard. Can you click on demo?
okay.
But don't use this to create your company. If you click on Scholar, click there on front end or area. You can click. No, that is customer area. Okay, you can even click on dashboard. Front end area. Front end area. Front end, not customer area. Front end area. The third one,
Third one. Bottom.
Emmanuel.
Below.
I hit this one.
Yes.
Yes, click there. So normally when you download this that and you want to create your own service, because with this you can create your own service like medicine. You know medicine.
No.
You know the lost service outside there that's selling it. If you scroll up or down, yes, this is the template they give you to run your own business. But, so you will manipulate this not as a user. And before this and after this, we will have we will use PowerMTA. Can you open Google and type PowerMTA? MTA. MTA.
N
T.
T A.
MTA.
M T A.
Yes, that one. We use it to make IP rotation. This company don't have website on anymore. You will only see people are using it. Keep in mind that we still have the scrapping part.
Yes.
And you are not okay. And again, after this, we will also work on send on mail poster. Run on Google again and see postal. 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 I mean,
AL.
AL. Okay.
yes, 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 yes. The third one. No, no, no. Up. Postal server. Yes, that one. Click there. Yes. I will scroll down. Normally, I have asked to Godek to play with this. Have you been able to play with this, Godek?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Because the good thing with this is open source and they have put everything down together, like IP rotation. So with this, they handle everything. This is like you have MailWizz and PowerMTA and in the same place.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because they will give you a dashboard like MailWizz, and then they will give you something to make eternal rotation like PowerMTA. So
And
this is
it's open source.
yes, it is open source,
Okay.
but this will not handle million of email sending per day. You can this is not for very scalable thing, but maybe right now they already make it not scalable. Maybe they have make it now scalable. So normally we see here they have a postal node where you can have many pool of IP address. Because when you send sometime IP address get blacklisted, what you will do is just to put that node in pause and continue with the other node. Emmanuel, can you ask to ChatGPT MailWizz plus PowerMTA versus Postal? Or just type MailWizz versus Postal. MailWizz plus PowerMTA. A, like animal.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. The Postal is what? Versus, not plus.
Versus.
Versus,
No, no.
versus.
What?
Yes.
VN.
You're comparing. Yeah.
But
No, just put VS. You are comparing
Yes.
as what it's saying.
yes. Oh, okay.
No, V. Just what V.
Okay.
VS.
V. No, not there. Leave plus. After PowerMTA, put V.
VN. Okay.
S. No.
S.
Yes.
Okay.
That one is postal server something. I'll go and check again. Yes, postal. Yes.
Shrink.
Okay, let's see what you see. Okay. But if you are running a CUs, okay. I will choose postal. What is MTA, Karim?
MTA?
Yes.
MTA is a server.
Okay. Mail transfer agent. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So in our case, we are serious and we want to hit million. But we still go, we will still go and play with Poster to see how it works.
Okay.
But but after this first step, I think we have again 1 or 2 steps that we do, and then we start working on MailWizz and then PowerMTA.
Okay.
PowerMTA is not open source, right?
Oh yes,
So-
but I have a license.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Is that okay for you, Emmanuel?
Yeah.
Can we scroll down at the end? So you just say one. Okay. Oh, not now. Okay. That's good. Do you have anything to share?
Not really.
Okay. And you, Karin, Kodik?
Not
I don't
not
have.
so maybe I'll just now switch to FBL also and
Okay.
leave aside the Java part. Come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Anything else to share? Any idea? Any suggestions?
Not for now, sir.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
for now as well.
Okay.
And not
Are you, Emmanuel?
No, not really.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you on Monday.
Bye. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you. Bye. See you on
Okay.
Monday.
Thank you.